Hey pros, so today we are bottling our hair repair and growth balm. Now, a lot of you know of the hair balm because it is actually one of our highest selling and most successful products outside of our Goddess hair repair serum. This balm can be used on adults or even children's hair. Now, it contains over 10 essential oils and nourishing hair oils. All of these oils work together to promote hair growth. They also help to stimulate blood flow at the scalp level, meaning help to improve that circulation. They help to strengthen the hair. They also help to reduce hair loss. Now, that is just some of the benefits of the hair repair and growth balm, but we also get the question of how to best use this for its effective, to make sure that it's effective. We always recommend that you place this at the scalp level on clean hair. This can also be used on your children's hair. So if your children's hair is slightly damp, you can apply some of the hair repair and growth balm, and it helps to keep it nice and moisturized, as well as it can be used as a hair grease. Now, of course, we all know that old school term hair grease. Apply it to the scalp, nice and sparing. A little goes a very long way, and it can also be used to seal the hair shaft as well after your wash day. The hair repair and growth balm is available now at EliteHairCareUSA.com.